The world of finance is being transformed by incredible technology, from cash to crypto and wallets to wearables. If you want a career at the cutting edge, Waikato's Bachelor of Banking Financing Technology is New Zealand's first specialist FinTech degree, built for the future of digital money.
I chose BBFinTech because it's practical, exciting, and gives me the tools I need for tomorrow's jobs. What I enjoy most is exploring big global trends in finance, like blockchain, AI, cybersecurity, and the Internet of Things.
FinTech is like having a bank in your pocket 24/7. You can trade shares, apply for a loan, and even get investment advice from a chatbot.
This degree isn't just about theory. In the Finance Trading Lab, we test our skills with real market data, just like the professionals.
Plus, we tackle real-world projects with industry that bring our learning to life. So top it off, the degree includes a FinTech internship at a company of your choice, so you're ready to hit the ground running.
FinTech skills are in demand worldwide, and the career options are endless.
The future of finance is here. Be part of it with the Bachelor of Banking, Finance and Technology, only at the University of Waikato.